So Claude just released a brand new feature that I know a lot of people have been waiting for, and it's called Remote Control. Kick off a task in your terminal and pick it up from your phone while you take a walk or join a meeting. Claude keeps running on your machine and you control the session from the Claude app. So they basically just made their own version of OpenClaw, which is incredible. And let me show you exactly how it works, because this is super powerful. OpenClaw obviously has some drawbacks. First of all, if you are using Claude Code, it takes a little while to set up. It has some security issues and risks involved. And having a feature like this just built into Claude Code by Anthropic themselves just makes things so much easier. So if I go ahead and head into Visual Studio Code and open a new terminal, the first thing you want to make sure is obviously that you're on their latest version. Make sure you are up to date, because if not, the remote control command will not show up. Also worth noting is that this feature was firstly only introduced to Mac users, but they said they would also add it to Pro users. So by the time you're watching this, it might also be available to you if you are a Pro user and not a Mac user. But the only thing you need to do to launch this is to do /remote control, and it's this second remote control option. You just click on that, and there you go. It says remote control is now active. Now what I'm going to do is open the Claude app on my phone. Here we are, very basic, the Claude app. Just click on the sidebar, head to Claude Code, and it should pop up here any second. It says start your first session, but if we just give it a minute, this session on my computer should show up on my phone. There we have it. It's called Interactive Session, Matt's MacBook Pro 2. Just note that it might take a minute or two before it actually shows up on your phone, but if I now head into this session, I can just do whatever I would otherwise do in my terminal just on my phone, and the task actually gets executed on my computer. And I can do this anywhere. I can go to the beach and just chat to Claude in the Claude app while it actually works and does all of these tasks on my computer. So let's say I just write, make me an HTML about why to use Claude Code. Just as an example, I'm going to send that. Let's see if anything happens on my screen. There we go. Basically the same message is now in my terminal, and it starts to basically do this task. Super simple, super straightforward, and super powerful. So I think it's fairly safe to say that Claude just killed OpenClaw. Not necessarily killed OpenClaw. I get that OpenClaw might still have some additional features, but I know that this is a feature that a lot of people are going to love. It's super simple to use and to set up, as you just saw. And I just wanted to make a quick video to keep you up to date on their latest new features and how you can actually get started with it. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm going to continue making videos on all their new features and updates, etc., as well as new AI tools that are coming out, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We did also recently launch our school community with full Claude Code courses, mini courses on specific use cases, different tools, weekly calls, and we're doing huge discounts for the first few members. So make sure to check that out down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Hopefully you get a lot of value from this new remote control feature, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.